Hello everyone, Maths Guide is here again with a new but very informative video regarding triangles. As you all know, triangles are one of the most basic yet fascinating shapes in geometry. You will find them everywhere in architecture, art and even nature. But what makes a triangle special? In this video, we will break it all down: what a triangle is, its key properties, and their different types with respect to sides and angles. By the end, you will not only know how to identify these triangles but also understand what makes each one unique. So let's start with what is a triangle. A triangle is a closed two-dimensional geometric shape with three straight sides and three angles. It is the simplest polygon and is formed by connecting 3 points called vertices with 3 line segments. The sum of the interior angles of any triangle is always 180 degrees. So according to the definition of a triangle, we come across 3 points that a triangle is comprised of 3 line segments and 3 angles and 3 vertices. This is the symbol of a triangle, and this is a triangle ABC. A triangle can be categorized into 6 types, 3 with respect to sides and 3 with respect to angles. Now first of all, we will discuss triangles with respect to sides. First triangle is equilateral triangle. As it is clear from its name that equi means equal and lateral means sides. It means a triangle having all sides equal in measurement is called equilateral triangle. Next one is isosceles triangle. If a triangle has only 2 sides equal, this type of triangle is called isosceles triangle. And the last one with respect to sides is a scalene triangle. This triangle has all different sides in measurements. Now let's identify the types of triangle with respect to sides. Look at this first triangle. These small lines indicate that all sides of this triangle are different in measurement. In this blue triangle, all the 3 sides are equal. And in this green triangle, 2 sides are equal in length and third one is different. Now let's identify their names. First one is scalene triangle, second one is equilateral triangle, and third one is isosceles triangle. We have already learnt about types of triangle with respect to sides. Now we are going to learn about types of triangle with respect to angles. The first one is acute angle triangle. In this type of triangle, all the 3 angles are less than 90 degrees, means all 3 angles are acute. Second one is a right angle triangle. One of the angles is right angle. It means one angle is exactly 90 degrees. Third one is obtuse angle triangle. One of the angles is obtuse angle and other 2 angles are acute. So if one angle of the 3 angles is obtuse, it means that triangle is obtuse angle triangle. Now let's identify the type of triangles with respect to angles. In this first triangle, all 3 angles are acute. Acute angles are those angles in which the measurement of angle is less than 90 degrees. All the 3 angles are less than 90 degrees. It means all 3 angles are acute. That's why this angle is acute angle triangle. Next one is a triangle having 2 acute angles and 1 obtuse angle. An obtuse angle is an angle which has a measurement greater than 90 degrees. If one of the angles is obtuse, this type of triangle is called obtuse angle triangle. Now look at this triangle. One angle is 90 degrees or a right angle. It means if a triangle has one angle of measurement exactly 90 degrees, that is called a right angle triangle. Now can you identify this triangle with respect to sides and angles? These small lines indicates that this is a scalene triangle, and this shape of angle shows that it has one angle that is exactly 90 degrees. So with respect to sides, it is called a scalene triangle, and with respect to angles, it is called a right angle triangle. So we can say this triangle is a scalene right angled triangle. Now look at this triangle. These two small lines indicates that two sides of this triangle are equal in measurement and the third one is different. So according to side, it is an isosceles triangle. Now look at the angles. One of the angles is greater than 90 degree. So according to the angles, it is an obtuse angled triangle. So we can say that it is an isosceles obtuse angled triangle. All my viewers, now it's your turn to identify this triangle with respect to sides and angles and write its name in the comment section. I hope you liked my video. Kindly subscribe if you haven't yet. My next lecture from geometry will be about quadrilateral and its types. So stay tuned to Math Sky.